Today is the day Jnanasambandar re-established Shaivism in Madurai, that is celebrated. Devi Meenakshi is gracing on Swarnamayura Vahana, the golden peacock vehicle with the pearl crown. Sundareshwara is gracing in Sarvalankara. Let's receive their grace. Seeking is the fire, constantly helps you to reinvent yourself. I tell you, all the best things in my life, whether the best period I was healthy, I should say I am, not just I was. The best goodness I felt about me, please understand, this is one of the greatest wealth. Feeling good about you, feeling wow about yourself, the ultimate ability to do tyaga, sacrifice, and the amazing romance with the life. Everything, please understand, all the best things of my life was living in me when I was seeking.
What do you mean by listening to the life?
What I feel is that whenever you're listening to life, it's like you're completely open to what the life is telling. Like most of the time, we might plan number of things. From morning, I'll get up, I'll do this, and you have n number of things to plan, and then you plan all that and keep it ready. But suddenly something happens, and then things collapse, or there is some change or something like that, and because of that, you get into depression or you get into some incompletion. So the reason why you get into incompletion is because you don't listen. The strategy for your life is not right. Because you think that you have to do everything and then you have a wrong strategy for your life. Because you think if I do it like this only it is going to work. There is no other choice for me. Because it's not from the context of consciousness. Based on that, whatever planning you do, then when something happens in it, then naturally you're going to get into some incompletion, anger, irritation, incompletions, depression, and all this you get into it. So what I feel is whenever you strategize your life, it's like when Swamiji says in this, like strategize your life, what I feel is listen to life in every moment of it. Basically what I understand as listening to life is like anything happening in life, don't become powerless. Understand the truth that you can never be violated. So when you're working with a life, when you do every action of your life from this understanding that you can never be violated, then whatever you plan, you'll naturally get more and more solutions for all your problems, day-to-day activities, and you'll just completely reinvent yourself in every action you do. So this is what I understand as listening to life and strategizing your life.
Adding to what he just said, what I feel is like how Swamiji has explained in many of his satsang, procrastination means postponing. Swamiji also said postponing is a sin. So like the number of times we postpone, we keep delaying the seeking which we have. So what I understand from this is whenever we postpone, we are like not going forward, and we are not ready to understand and realize that we are consciousness as the Upanishads declare, and we are just taking ourselves, like distancing ourselves from the understanding that we are the consciousness. So whenever we keep postponing, we are always like trying to push the things ahead so that we are not realizing what we are basically.
With each place, certain patterns are associated. With Varanasi, seeking is associated. Varanasi, seeking is entertained, encouraged, enriched. If you want to be out of your pattern compulsions, giving into your pattern compulsions, awaken the seeking in Varanasi. Be there. Be there in the may. May is not may, must. May is must. Let it not be may. May